Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today it's time to close out our sinking funds for June. We haven't done this since February, so it's gonna be some big gains and some new sinking funds. So stay tuned. Hey friend, hey, welcome to or welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be closing out our sinking funds and we're going to be using Jasmine's Baddies and Budget's neutral planner to do so. So without further ado, let's bring this out. So I've already put all of our sinking funds up here, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to go back to February and see what I had, the ending balance of February, and then go from there. I was thinking about just starting fresh because, you know, I stopped doing it in February, but I think that it's a good starter point because that's the last thing that I have, and then we'll go from there. So hold on, let me place all these in here in our start, and then and then we'll see how much we have going through each of our funds. Okay, so some of these, as you see, were not accounted for back in February, but we'll go from there. So emergency fund, I have not stuffed this since we finished our challenge, which was $1,200. If I can open it. Come on, open. Oh, the whole thing's broken. I don't even know how I'm supposed to get in here if I can't even open the thing. I don't know how to get it to open, you guys. Okay, all else fails, I cut it. I can always get a new, switch this out for a new envelope. But let's see. So like I said, last time we counted this, it was 1,200, and then I've been putting money away that you've seen in my last two videos, 10% savings, in which I've been putting that in my savings online, which I will put up here somewhere. So with that and the 1,200, which I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 51, 52, 53, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1,100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1,200. So 1,200 plus the amount that I have in my savings gives me a total of 2,000. Come on, pencil. So that gives me, I want to put that in green, an ending balance of 2,465. And then let's put this away. First I'm doing one of these for a while, like I said, since February, so I'm trying to get back in the groove. All right, this is broken, so file 13. Okay, Shania in February had 384. Make sure I got everything. So right now she has 2040. Oh, nope, she don't. She has 1, 2. Okay, you want to jump out. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 424, 424. Nadia has 1, 2, 3, 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 339. I don't like how that looks. And Kaimana has more inside of her, come on, go back. Inside of her piggy bank, in which I would probably pull those out next month and put the change with all of the rest of the change and all her dollars inside of her envelope. So Kaimana has 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570, 590, 595, 96, 97, 597. Pumbaa has absolutely nothing because he just got groomed. Date night, family time. I can't wait to switch all of my my stuff. Has a cool $50 bill, Mr. Grant. Sorry about that. Okay, travel has $50. Feed it. My brother, Tony. So back in February, that was a month in that he had, no, 2 months in that he was starting to send me money. We were at 118. Right now we are, stay there, stay. We're at 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510. 520, I'm sorry, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 575, 580, 585, 590, 591, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 600, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, $603. That's some big gains right there. Big gains. Bankroll. I don't know if anybody remember that. I forgot who sung that song. That was back when I was in the military. Like at Fort Polk. I can't remember who it was. All right, so month ahead, of course, we did not have that starting in February, but and as you see, I have not made anything, so y'all get my orange sticky. So we should have, I think, 1,100 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, 1,100. 1,100. And clothes and school supply. We need to start ramping this up because it's July 1st, and kids start to go back to, well, down here they go back August 10th. So, and all three of mine are going to be in school. Y'all don't know how happy I am. That's how much, because I'm singing. All right, so we're doing Christmas. We're doing the Christmas challenge, and we're also doing our fetch rewards for Christmas. So right now we have 1, 2, 50, 3, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 430, 450, 470, 490, 500, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 536. Christmas, we have 536. All right, I just paid out HOA because it is the next quarter, so I should have $3 in here. I don't know why I keep a running $3 in here, but I just do. I guess I know once I have $3 in here, that means I paid by association dues. Okay, car maintenance. Car maintenance. Oh, something in my eye. We have 50, 70, 80, 91, 10, 11. We have 111 car maintenance. 111. 1111. Household, home improvement. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 89. That just went down. Something happened in our bath, our shower, and the water wouldn't turn off. I'm like, if it's not one thing, it's another, because we've been trying to put money away to wanting to renovate our kitchen, and then boom, shower, boom, what else, boom, what else, bless you. So yeah, moving on, the 50 envelope challenge. That is still gonna roll over. I'm so sorry, I can't be honest. That is so unprofessional. What was I saying? The 50 envelope challenge is gonna roll over to our what else I wanted to roll this over to? I think it's gonna roll over to either one of my $20,000 emergency fund challenge, or my $5,000 challenge that we're using to go to Hawaii. So 50 envelope challenge we have so far: 1, 2, 20, 30, 5, 40, 5, 55, 255, 255. Okay, and our last sinking fund we have is the $5,000 challenge, like I just spoke about, going to Hawaii. And that is, we have 150, oh my goodness, What is going on? I'm so sorry. 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 65, 70, 75, 80, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295. 295. All right. So let me calculate the plus and minuses of these and how much we had in February versus how much we have now. And I'm gonna get her done. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, that's good gains right there. $5,500 from February until now. That is amazing, amazing. So, and I just realized that I put it under July. I was supposed to put this under June, but I'll fix that at the end of the video. But yes, y'all, look at that. Our total sinking funds amount, like, let's highlight that. I want a big highlight. Oh yeah. That is nice, y'all. $7,067 is amazing. So, again, as always, if I can do it, you can do it. I believe in you. Start from something and it will grow. It will grow, I promise you. Thank you guys for watching. Please do all the things, like, share, subscribe, and comment. I love you. Till next time. Bye.